Namaskaram friends. In the first quarter of financial 24, of the total cards issued, 29% of the cards were RuPay cards, while MasterCard and Visa issued 36% and 35% of the cards respectively. But in the next quarter, things flipped. The issuing of RuPay cards went from 29% to 37% of the total cards. There was sudden increase in demand for RuPay cards, and the demand for RuPay cards kept growing each quarter. What has happened that led to sudden surge in demand for Indian card network system? So the questions that will be answered in this video are: what are credit cards? What are RuPay credit cards? Benefits of RuPay cards? And what has led to sudden surge in demand for RuPay cards? And some frequently asked questions. Welcome to the channel Factstick. This is Sandesh from Factstick. In today's video, we will be discussing what are actually RuPay cards. Firstly, let me start with shortly defining what actually is a credit card or debit card. Both credit card and debit card appear to look the same, wherein it is a thin rectangular piece of plastic or sometimes metal. The key difference happens when you swipe the card. Debit card or ATM cards are directly linked to your bank accounts. So whenever you use a debit card, the amount is directly deducted from your bank account. Credit cards are built different. It allows the card holders or its users to borrow funds with which you can pay for goods and services to merchants, those who accept such payments. It simply allows its customers to purchase goods or services or withdraw cash on credit. Credit card gives you an advantage of buy now and pay later. But credit card imposes a condition that card holders have to pay back the borrowed money with interest if applicable. So before we head on to the main topic, we need to know what actually card networks are. Card networks or payment card networks are financial intermediaries that facilitate electronic transaction between financial institutions, merchants and card holders. As of now, when the video is live, there are 5 authorized card networks in India: Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Diners Club and RuPay. So, one such card network is RuPay. RuPay is an Indian-based card network launched by NPCI in the year 2012. RuPay is coined from the words rupee and payments. It is the first of its kind global credit card networks of India, with acceptance from various ATMs, POS devices and e-commerce platforms across the world. It was introduced to promote digital transaction within India and reduce the dependence on international card networks. As a regular credit card or debit card, they provide a wide range of tailored card offerings and a lot of rewards and discounts, like fuel surcharge waiver, etc. And it depends and varies from card providers and banks. Apart from that, few benefits RuPay cards have over other card networks are: it has got lower transaction fees and faster processing. Unlike foreign credit card networks, which charges transaction fees in dollars and will cost you more when currency conversion is involved. Obviously, RuPay credit cards have much lower transaction fees because transaction fees is settled in rupees. Also, its servers being based in India, it contributes to much faster transaction processing. It has got robust protection and security. With indigenous network developed by NPCI, RuPay cards have advanced security measures. One such feature is dynamic CVV or card verification value, which makes it more secure. Coming to the most interesting part of the video and one of the most dangerous features, RuPay credit card have UPI integration. We all know that we can link and integrate any of our debit cards to UPI app, but the advantages with these cards is RuPay credit cards can be linked and integrated to UPI, which means you can now make UPI payments by using credit cards on your credit limit. It facilitates hassle-free payments for its users, allowing them to make transactions on credit without actually carrying a credit card. In the upcoming part, I'm going to tell you how can you link a RuPay credit card on UPI. Over 600 banks launched RuPay cards and it has 10 core promoters including these banks on the screen. Coming to the frequently asked questions on the internet. 1. How can you apply RuPay credit card? In order to apply a RuPay credit card, you can simply apply with your bank or you can apply it on their website. You can click rupay.co.in or click on the link in the description. You have various options here, and besides every card, they have mentioned the category of the card and their key features. You can apply the card which you feel is more appropriate to you. 2. The best credit cards available to us in 2024. In order to know the best credit card we have to consider a lot of factors such as interest rates, rewards and perks, annual charges, introductory offers, terms and conditions, etc. If you want a detailed video for me to sort out the best RuPay credit cards available on the internet, do comment below. Instead, you can go to the RuPay's official website and compare it. How to add RuPay credit cards to PhonePe. If you have a RuPay credit card, then it is simple to add a credit card to PhonePe. For that, you need to open your PhonePe app on your mobile. On the top left, click on the profile picture. Under payment section, you can click on the bank accounts. If you can't see it, try swiping to the left. And then select RuPay credit cards and click on the bank issuing it. And proceed to add it. Enter the card number and enter the 6-digit PIN. Boom, you are ready to use. How to pay using a RuPay credit card. Once you have added your RuPay credit card on the app, then scan to the QR and pay the merchant as you normally do in any UPI app. How to remove RuPay credit card from Google Pay. Open the Google Pay app and tap on menu and then click on payment methods in the top left. Tap the card you want to remove. In the more section, remove payment method will appear on the top right. Click it and remove the card. How to convert other credit cards to RuPay credit cards to UPI payment. If you already have other credit card system and you want to switch to RuPay credit card, it is a simple process. You can contact your bank customer care and request for a change in your card network provider. Or alternatively, you can visit your bank's branch and submit a request to change the card. Thank you for joining us today on Factstick. If you have enjoyed the content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. If you have any thoughts or suggestions or just want to say hello, leave a comment. We love hearing from you. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Until then, this is Sandesh. Jai Hind.